Welcome to the best picks. The best cat fur brush is probably one of the most important tools you can have for keeping your feline friend happy and healthy. A good quality brush will not only remove loose fur, preventing hairballs and matting, but it will also help distribute natural oils, leaving your cat's coat shiny and soft, improving their overall skin health and reducing shedding around your house. Choosing the right brush can make a huge difference in your cat's grooming experience, so let's dive into what makes a great cat fur brush. Number 5. Hertzko Self-Cleaning Slicker Brush. Say goodbye to tangled fur and hello to a shiny, healthy coat. It effortlessly removes loose hair, mats, and debris, leaving your pet feeling comfortable and looking their best. Cleaning up after grooming has never been easier. With a simple push of a button, the bristles retract, allowing for quick and easy fur removal. No more messy cleanups. This brush is your secret weapon against excessive shedding. The angled bristles gently detangle and remove loose fur, promoting a healthier coat and reducing hair around your house. Grooming shouldn't be a chore. Its comfortable grip handle reduces hand fatigue, making grooming sessions easier and more enjoyable for both you and your pet. Made with soft, fine bristles, it's gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin. It's effective on all fur types, making it perfect for dogs and cats alike. What we like? It features a self-cleaning mechanism for easy fur removal. If you value convenience and ease of use, this is the perfect choice. This brush is ideal for pet owners who want efficient grooming without the hassle of constant cleaning. What people say. This brush is 10x more comfortable for my cat, while still pulling a decent amount of shed hair. Cleaning it is amazing, just press the button, pull the pad of hair off, and it doesn't fill up until after nearly a full session of brushing. This is second time purchasing this brush. Works great on my lab. Retractable bristles are so nice. Cleanup is a breeze. I have tried a lot of slicker brushes, but this one makes it easy to get the excess hair off and keep going with its button that gets the hair off the brush for you, and you can begin again de-shedding your pup. Number 4. AUMUCA Cat Shedding Brush. This brush is the perfect gift for any pet owner. It gently removes loose hair, mats, and dirt, leaving your cat's coat shiny and healthy. The rounded rubber tips on the metal pins provide a gentle massage without scratching, even on sensitive skin. It's perfect for shedding and grooming. Made with durable stainless steel and ABS plastic, it's built to last. The thicker bristles easily penetrate deep into the coat to remove undercoat. Simply click the button to release the collected hair. Cleaning is quick and easy, saving you time and effort. We stand behind our product. If you have any issues, we offer replacements or a full refund, plus expert customer support. It works great on short, medium, or long-haired cats. Give your feline friend the grooming experience they deserve. What we like? The round-tipped needles massage your pet's skin while removing fur. If you're looking for a gentle yet effective de-shedding experience, this is it. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting use, making it a worthwhile investment. What people say. The little mechanism with which you clean hair off the brush is amazing. It works so well, and it's so easy a toddler could do it if they understood what they were doing. I would hate to use a brush without this feature. The bristles are tough enough to remove matted hair, yet gentle on the cat's skin. Not only did he not fuss and try to get away, he enjoyed being brushed. The brush is well made and feels solid in hand. The handle is ergonomically designed, making it comfortable to hold during long grooming sessions. The bristles are soft yet effective, which is ideal for both long and short-haired cats. Number 3. Poodle Dematting Rake. Say goodbye to frustrating mats and tangles. This innovative tool is designed for gentle yet effective grooming. Recommended by professionals and pet owners alike, it's the perfect all-in-one solution for keeping your pet's coat looking its best. It's easy to use and saves you time and money. It effortlessly removes knots and tangles from long coats. This dematting comb is suitable for dogs, cats, and even horses and rabbits. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, preventing slips and accidents. It even has a convenient hanging hole for easy storage. With extra-long 2.5-inch stainless steel blades, it reaches deep into thick fur to quickly break up even the toughest mats and tangles. It's perfect for undercoat brushing. Made with high-quality, rust-proof stainless steel and durable rubber, it's built to last. It can handle all your pet grooming needs, time after time. What we like. Its extra long blades reach deep into thick fur to remove mats and tangles. If you have a pet with severely matted fur, this is the tool for you. The easy grip handle ensures comfortable and safe use, even during extended grooming sessions. What people say. This comb has finer teeth and works better than my standard comb on getting knots out. Works on dry and wet fur. It loosens up the curls so you can get out any mats. It's comfortable to hold and my puppy just lays on my lap and it doesn't seem to bother her at all. Even used on my Maine Coon and got so much hair off. The comb is heavy duty and not cheap material. Number 2. itPlus Pet Slicker Brush. It features durable stainless steel and strengthened bristles for a better de-shedding experience. Remember to be gentle to avoid hurting your pet, make grooming a fun experience for both of you. This self-cleaning brush is great for cats and small dogs. The stainless steel, skin-friendly massage tips remove knots safely and comfortably, leaving your pet's coat shiny and healthy. The ergonomic handle has a silicone, slip-resistant grip for easier and more comfortable use for you and your pet. It easily removes undercoats, whether short, medium, or long. Grooming with this brush promotes a healthy coat, increases blood circulation, and leaves your pet's fur soft and shiny. Your pet will love the attention and the results. This brush has a comfortable, durable, non-slip handle and is suitable for small, medium, and large short or long-haired pets. If you have any problems, contact us immediately for a full refund. What we like. It boasts upgraded, durable bristles for superior de-shedding. If you want a gentle yet effective self-cleaning brush, this is a great option. The skin-friendly design makes it suitable for pets with sensitive skin. What people say. The bristles have soft ends, and the plunger lets the hair fall off easily. A great idea. The hair release lever works fine. It collected all but a few strands and was easy to empty into the bin. Number 1. Pet Neat Grooming Brush. It removes up to 95% of dead hair and tangles from your pet in just 10 minutes. Save time and money on expensive grooming services. This durable comb is made to last. The stainless steel blade and easy grip handle ensure precision and comfort during use. Regular brushing keeps your pet's coat healthy and shiny, reducing allergies and strengthening your bond. It's easy to use and causes no discomfort. Give the gift of effortless grooming and show your love for pets. We're so confident you'll love it, we offer a lifetime satisfaction guarantee. Add it to your cart now. Learn valuable grooming tips with our free For Dog Care ebook. It's a helpful guide for all pet owners. What we like. This brush boasts a remarkable 95% shedding reduction capability. If you're tired of excessive pet hair, this is your solution. Its durable construction and user-friendly design make grooming quick and effortless. What people say. The stainless steel comb has that type of ground blade construction to it. It just has a nice, hollow ground profile and the teeth seem to be machined or milled out of a nice piece of stainless steel. Removing hair out of it was very easy as well. It removes so much hair and with Vin not shedding it keeps him from getting so wild and holy. It has held up and is a solid brush. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.